This is Ozaria, the Python version of the course. Let's see what we're doing. You probably need to build a few right arrow tiles and an up arrow tile to finish the path. Okay, let's first check what's going on with our code, because you can test code a bazillion times and it's totally fine. Yeah, we get stuck here. Okay, so if we get stuck there, what direction would we need to go in? Well, we would need to go down. So let me go ahead and write. And you see how move down pops up? I'm going to hit enter there. And we only want to move down once. Keep in mind I could leave a 1 here or delete it. 1's automatic. Once I move down once, what do I want to do? It looks like right. 1, 2. So let's go ahead and try that. And boom, and 2. All right, let's give this a try. Boom, yep. Down we got, and up. So we moved across them, and this is what's great about testing. We need to make sure to build an arrow. So to do this, I don't want a number here, I don't think, because I need to only move once and then build an arrow. So I'm going to move down once, and then I need to build, what type? Yeah, a right arrow, okay? Then I want to move right, and then I need to build a right arrow. And then here, what am I going to want to do? Right? And notice I'm just walking through step by step, and let's test it. You should test code a billion times, because it's so much easier to find your errors early rather than when you have 19 lines and there's a tiny error up here. Okay, so far so good. Now which way do we want it to go? That way. All right, so build. Oop, and I just made a mistake already. Notice that it didn't even give me up as an option because it has no idea what I'm doing. It's like, this doesn't make sense. So it doesn't want me to do that yet. I need to go right first again. And I could have a 1 here or not. Let's just leave it to show you. And remember, this is the argument. These are the arguments. Boom. Do I go? Yep. Go, go. Oh, hurry. Yeah. Ooh, that was tricky. Awesome. Onward.